Thank you very much, Dr. Georgiopoulos and Dr. Basu, and also Jennifer for offering me this great opportunity to show what our Operation Research Lab is doing and what we will be doing in the next couple of years. I would like a very welcome collaboration from our colleagues, either inside or outside of University of Central Florida. So at the first, I will give a brief introduction, although I gave an introduction maybe 2 years ago, but I still want to introduce myself and our lab a little bit, and then we will move on to what we are doing now after 2 years, and also what we are planning to do in the next couple of years. So we have applied operation research lab in industrial engineering. And then our main research area is in two main streams. One is the theory around optimization operation research. And also we have a strong application area in terms of operation research, such as energy system, social media networks, so on and so forth, and the blockchain systems as well. For the theory part, we focus on decision and uncertainties and also network science. So there might be some joint research interest with computer science with other departments as well. So for teaching, if you're a student or PhD student needs some expertise in our area, so we offer various both undergrad and the graduate classes, which can help strengthening the background of all students, like operation research, linear programming extensions, and stochastic optimization. And also we have experimental design and Taguchi method in our department. And also we offer the basic probability and statistics for undergrad. So in the past, I received some requests in terms of what we are offering in the next semester for optimization and operation research. I try to discuss with our chair to accommodate the needs from not only within our department and also outside our department in terms of creating possible joint research collaborations. And then we have the lab in engineering 2, it's in room 311. So currently we have 3 faculty members. Dr. Bogensky, Professor Bogensky is another co-director of the lab. And also we have a research assistant professor, Dr. Verena. And we have one postdoc. Due to the hiring freeze, we have 2 PhD students this year now. Because we were not able to hire new students because most of the students are from sensitive country. It caused some issue, but we are hoping to hire more because our new project with Air Force got extended and renewed. So if you are interested, these are my contact information. You feel free to email me or call. So what at the beginning, I always give why we are doing research. What's the strength of our research? So because we are always living in a new era, population is growing and then the living standard improving. Long time ago, we never thought we could use Zoom to work remotely. So things are changing constantly, and also new technology is enabling new ways of life and work. So because we are doing operation research and then we keep evolving, but the basic knowledge is optimization or stochastic processes. We try to leverage our strengths to always make the current operation or the future operations better. So our dictum is how can we do more with less? And then the critical issues, like I said, we are addressing include energy system, food system, transportation system, and also information system. So we are trying to leverage the synergy among all these systems. And I want to go through three main areas we are currently doing active research. So as you can see from the left upper corner, that's the project we finished, but we're still doing research in, like how we optimize the whole system and in energy system. And also how do we leverage the renewable energy, because now everybody, not only the president, everybody is calling for renewable energy. I believe many of you guys have already installed solar panel on your rooftop and also using battery storage. I also know many of you guys are driving Tesla, so it's an integrated system. How we can leverage the synergy among all these new technology and systems to minimize cost, not only minimize cost, but mainly maximize our benefit in short term and long term. So the objective in this area is to improve the efficiency and also try to mitigate the renewable energy penetration into the current power system. By leveraging our strength in algorithm design optimization. So recently our paper in long-term planning and expansion has been accepted into Informed Journal of Computing, which is the top journal in our area. And then we also leverage a new phenomenon in society, we use decision-independent stochastic optimization. That means the more you invest, the more likely this scenario is going to happen. So this is the new direction, and also it's very interesting because you can see the more people buy Tesla, the more likely we're going to transition to the renewable energy area to improve our efficiency and reduce carbon emission. So on the top right corner are some the instances we worked on, and then in the green area include some publications we had in the past several years. So the next topic we are focusing on these days, and we are working on several proposals to ASF DOE, is the new economy empowered by prosumers, because now many people already installed the solar panel, and in the future more people will install it because not only the incentive but also the economics, the benefit they will get. So if we have more solar panels, it will not be a consumer energy system. It will be a prosumer energy system, because everybody, not only a consumer, they become a producer as well. So that will introduce new problem, because most of you guys are supported by Duke these days. So Duke has big trouble because they're losing money, because everybody is using their system as a huge battery storage. When they have energy, they just upload their energy. When they need it, they just subtract it for free. In addition to the reliability and stability the system offers them. So from the utility angle, it's not fair. But how to mitigate this transition? There are a lot of issues we need to discuss. If we gonna fully move to microgrid, so one technology we need to leverage might be blockchain, because what's the fair transaction? And if we are gonna still use the current system, what's the fair pricing between utility companies and the prosumers? There are a lot of things we need to study. So this is active research area. We are doing a lot of things right now. So we, like I said last time, we said we already implemented the blockchain, and now we are working with the solar panel data company in order to mitigate the transition. So that's another area. The other area we work extensively is in the network science and application area. So as you can see on the left top corner, so we have several projects supported by different agencies. Recently, our research in this area has been renewed. The project has been renewed with Air Force. So we will receive new funding from them. In this area, we study how the information interact with with like information network or social media network. This is critical because, like for example, for the vaccine issue, there are a lot of rumors, and how we can mitigate these rumors and like help distribute the right information. That's critical for successful vaccine programs and also the cure programs. Like the Paxlovid, a lot of people think it's poisonous or like they create trouble, but those misinformation is destroying. Like I think the next step will be how government can team up with social media network to deliver the right and the correct information. So these we are doing like a lot of research, and also we have several proposals like underway to NSF. So this is another area. So we are addressing. I try to speed up a little bit because I have 2 or 3 minutes left. So the next one, these are the area we try to focus on in the next couple of years. So we will still stay in energy power system because that's how our society works. Because we are not using human power to power everything. So energy is very important. And then another one will be air, food, energy, and water system. And you see like climate change is caused by carbon dioxide. It's part of the air problem, I would say. So how we coupling that with the system which are pillars of our society, and also electrification and autonomous transportation will be a big issue because all the car makers are manufacturing EVs now. So and everybody is talking about autonomous driving. So this gonna be a new area we can do a lot. And then network science and optimization, we still put a lot of attention on. And also the other 2 areas we are working on is AI applications and the blockchain application, because the AI, we merge it into the dynamics of the social media. So we are doing reinforcement learning to predict how people accept new ideas, either from government or from like individuals. And blockchain, we focus on how to leverage its synergy with energy, distributed energy system. So I would like to thank all these like agencies, especially UCF, to support my research and fostering my career. So I think I'm running out of time. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And also you can put into the chat. I try to answer by typing something.